today we're making Langostino Lobster Rolls. This is a quick and easy recipe. There's only a couple ingredients you need, and let's get right to this. So you're going to need some split top hot dog buns. Sometimes they call them New England style. You're going to need a tablespoon and a half or a heaping tablespoon of mayonnaise, about a teaspoon of lemon juice, and a heaping tablespoon of green onion greens just chopped. Then we're going to need, of course, our Langostino lobster tails, and we're going to use a little bit of garlic for the bun. So I have some butter melted. So the first thing we're going to do, because this does go quick, is we're going to butter the side of our roll. And I like to be generous with the butter. It does get a nice crispy brown here. And just put a little garlic on there. And we're going to set these aside. We got our pan heating right here, so we're going to toast those in just a minute. But let's mix up our sauce. So heaping tablespoon of mayonnaise, a teaspoon lemon juice, and our green onions. And basically, we're just going to mix this up real quick, and we're going to set this aside. Now, since we have everything buttered, we're going to go ahead and get our lobster into the pan. And we're going to get it on the fire. You don't want to leave this on the fire too long because they'll get tough. We just want to warm them through. And we're going to get these in the pan on their sides. Alright, those got a nice little brown on them. Alright, these are sizzling good. It's about 2 minutes on the lobster, that's it. Like I said, we just want to heat them through. And I am going to get a little butter on the inside of the roll here, because I like to brown this up also. We're just going to open that up real nice. Alrighty, we got a nice little brown on there, so we're going to get these off the fire right over here where we're going to assemble them. Alright, our lobster's done. What I like to do is strain this butter off, so you can dip and use the extra butter if you want, but we're not going to put it on the sandwich. That would make it way too soggy, so we're going to let that drain a minute. Alright, that's drained pretty good. So what we're going to do is we mix up our sauce, held it for later. So we're going to get our lobster right in here. Just basically toss it around real good just to get the mayonnaise real evenly mixed. See, this is why we only use a tablespoon and a half. You don't want a lot of mayonnaise on there, just enough to just give it that flavor. And look at the green onion mixed in there. Alright, let's get these on these buns. Alrighty, that's all there is to assembling. Take a look at those. Take a look how beautiful those are. I can't wait to taste these. And you know, that is the only thing left to do, is give these a nice taste. So let's give it a shot here. Look at this. Alrighty, that's about 4 ounces of Langostino lobster right there. I used 8 total. Let's give this a taste. Alright, that is delicious right there. I can't wait to polish off the rest of this. Unfortunately, that's not mine. My wife's going to eat that. So just one for me, but I'm going to polish this off. This is going to be delicious. I hope yours turns out as good as mine does. Please click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and have a great day. We'll see you soon. Cheers.